Hello students, today we are going to perform the experiment number 76 and 77 in the Pharmaceutics 2 practical. So these two experiments are related to the powders. That is, the title of the experiment is to prepare and submit the powders. So we will first see the introduction about the powders. We have already learned the theory related to the powders in the classroom. So what are the powders? This is a mixture of finely divided drug and chemicals in dry form. So pharmaceutical powders is a mixture of finely divided drug and chemicals in dry form. These are the solid dosage form of medicaments which are meant for internal and external use. So the powders can be used internally as well as externally, and these are the solid dosage form of the medicament in dry form. They are broadly classified such as bulk powder for internal use, bulk powder for external use, simple and compound powder for internal use, powders enclosed in cachets and capsules, and compressed powders or tablet triturates. So that is the classification of the powders. So bulk powders are again classified as dusting powders, insufflation, snubs, and dentifrices. Or powders are again classified as medical and surgical powders. So let us see first experiment, that is to prepare and submit powder. The title of the experiment is to prepare and submit powder. See the prescription: prepare 12 powders each to contain. We have to prepare the 12 packets of the powders. Each packet will contain aspirin 5 grain, citric acid half grain, and calcium carbonate 1.5 grain. See, aspirin 5 grain, citric acid half grain, and calcium carbonate 1.5 grain. And you have to label as the powder, dissolve in water and take whenever necessary. So in this experiment, the calculation part is important and the wrapping part, that is the mixing, is very easy. So first, or let us understand the calculation part. So each packet will contain aspirin 5 grain, citric acid half grain, and calcium carbonate 1.5 grain, and you have to prepare the 12 powders or 12 packets. So first we will convert this imperial system into the metric system. See, 1 grain is equal to 64.8 milligram. 1 grain is equal to 64.8 milligram, and we have to convert this grain into milligram or gram. So let us convert. Aspirin 5 grain means 5 into 64.8, that is 324 milligram. How much quantity of aspirin you have to take? 64.8 into 5, that is 324 milligram in each packet. Again, citric acid 0.5 grain, that is 64.8 into 0.5, that is 32.4 milligram, and calcium carbonate 64.8 into 1.5, 1.5 grain means 1.5, that is equal to 97.2 milligram. So these are the quantity given in each packet, and we have to prepare such 12 packets. But let us understand that we will prepare one packet extra. We have to submit 12 packets, but we will calculate the quantity for one extra packet, that is the 13 packets. So each packet contains 324 milligram of aspirin, which is converted into gram, that is 0.324 gram of aspirin into 13. Where this 13 came from? We have to submit 12 packets, but we will calculate the quantity for one extra packet, that is the 13. So 0.324 into 13, that is 0.972 gram. Remember, we have converted this milligram into gram. 0.972 gram we will take aspirin. Likewise, 0.0324 into 13, that is 0.42 gram citric acid, and calcium carbonate 0.0972 into 13, that is 0.097 gram. We have converted this milligram into gram. See, 324 milligram is equal to 0.324 gram, 32.4 milligram is equal to 0.0324 gram, and 97.2 milligram is equal to 0.0972 gram. So that we will take the quantity in gram by dividing this milligram by 1000 we can convert this milligram into gram. So these are the quantities you have to take: aspirin 0.0972 gram, citric acid 0.42 gram, and calcium carbonate 0.097 gram. See the procedure. We have calculated these quantities for 13 packets. So what we have to do, in a glass mortar you triturate this citric acid and calcium carbonate and incorporate this with aspirin. So what you have to do, you have to take all weight quantities of aspirin, citric acid and calcium carbonate, and you have to triturate it, you have to mix it well, and then you have to divide these quantities equally into 12 packets. You have to divide the quantities in 12 packets. We have calculated for 13, but we will prepare the quantities equally with the 12 packets, because we have to submit the 12 packets. One quantity extra. Why? Because there may be loss during the weighing or trituration or by transferring the powders into the packets. So we will exactly submit 12 packets. Each one will contain 5 grain aspirin, half grain citric acid and 1.5 grain calcium carbonate. So divide it in 12 equal parts, and you have to submit the powders in a wide mouth bottle, and you have to label it. So that is the calculation part. Remember, 1 grain is equal to 64.8 milligram. So by which you can convert all these empirical system into metric system. So that is about the 76 experiment. Now 77 number experiment, to prepare and submit powder C. Here the prescription is codeine phosphate 1/6 grain. 1/6 grain. Fiat pulvis means powder. Signatura unus omni nocte sumendus. Means omni nocte means every night, sumendus to be taken, unus means 1. 1 powder to be taken every night. Mitte tells decim. Send such 12 powders. So how we have to do? But here see, we have to calculate, or each powder or each packet will contain 1/6 grain of codeine phosphate. 1/6 means 1 grain is equal to 64.8 milligram divided by 6. So that will be a very small quantity that we cannot weigh. So here this is the powder containing the potent medicament. This is the powder containing the potent medicament. So how we will calculate this? We cannot weigh 1/6 grain. Practically it is difficult to weigh the 1/6 grain. So what we have to do? The minimum quantity weighable is the codeine phosphate is the 2 grain. How much quantity we can weigh? 2 grain. So first we will weigh codeine phosphate 2 grain. 64.8 milligram into 2, that is 129.6 milligram we will weigh codeine phosphate. 129.6 milligram we will convert it into gram, that is 0.130 gram we will weigh codeine phosphate. 0.130 gram codeine phosphate, and we will mix it with the 22 grains of lactose. 22 grains of lactose. How? Why 22? Because we have to submit the 12 powders, and each one will contain the minimum quantity 2 grain. So first we will later on we will see the calculation part, but see the procedure. We will weigh 22 grains of lactose. So 64.8 into 22, that will become 1425.6 milligram of lactose, which is equal to 1.42 gram or 0.425 gram of lactose. What we have to do? We will weigh 1.425 gram of lactose, and we will mix it with 0.130 gram of codeine phosphate. So that will become 24 grain. 2 plus 22, that is 24 grain, and we will mix with this, and we will divide the mixture in 12 equal packets. So we will discuss the calculation part later on, but see the procedure. Why we have taken 2 grain of lactose and 2 grains of codeine phosphate and 22 grains of lactose? Because if we make this mixture 2 plus 22, that is equal to 24 grains, and we divide it in 12 packets, and if you calculate the quantity of codeine phosphate, it will be 1/6 grain. We will see the calculation later on, but see the procedure. What we have to do? Just weigh 0.130 gram of codeine phosphate and mix it with 1.425 gram of lactose. Mix it and divide in 12 equal packets. and you have to submit it. You have to submit it in wide mouth bottle, wrap it in a butter paper and submit it. So that is the procedure. You have to follow this. Any problem, we will discuss it later on.